About blending sake, for me, as my knowledge is my aromatic science of molecular harmony and sommelier. So the first way I decide to take is to blend by aroma. So again, 1 + 1 = 3. So when you put two liquid or more that are dominated by the same aromatic compound, same molecules is aroma, they will get together and they will create good. It's a bit, we can explain that by the effect of umami. Umami is not aroma, but umami is amino acid. When you put 2 or 3 amino acids together, the result is greater than the sum of the part. It's exactly the same thing with my science. When the aroma get together, the result is greater than the sum of the part. So I decide to select to the whole collection of Tanaka brewery some sake that are complementary, let's say that. They get complementary aroma that can get together and create a greater sake. So then, after that, I work on the texture, because texture and malt is very important also in the sake business. Umami or not, freshness or not. But one of my goals is trying to bring the sake, not change it, but just give him a little touch of white wine. What I say by that is trying to give him more acidity, more freshness, because sake have 5 times less acidity than wine. So, but if we want to go get the wine lover drinking sake and everyone, we need to get just a little touch more acidity. We don't put acidity in the sake. Sake has its own acidity, but by blending we can upgrade the acidity and change a bit the texture. So that's the first thing about blending. But I don't do only that. By tasting, asking questions, look at how all sake aftertaste are made, I give my notice to the Toiji of Tanaka Brewery that for this vintage, I came here 1 year ago, that if they can change about the polishing of the wine, a little bit less polishing, because there's a lot of aroma and the rice. And I think if we polish too much, we lose something. We go for purity when we polish, but purity doesn't mean complexity. And I'm looking for complexity. So, because if we want to go with food, you need complexity. So I've been working with that also, helping the Toiji also to use different koji, use different technique, just to adapt to get the aroma that I want in the final blend and get the texture I want also. So I got an impact on the blend, but also on the production. So it's both complicity, I will say, with the team.